Imagine this. You're weaving through city traffic, effortlessly gliding past cars stuck in gridlock. The sun is shining, the wind is in your face, and you're enjoying every moment of the ride. This isn't just any scooter, this is the Honda PCX, a machine that redefines what urban mobility can be. If scooters had a personality, the PCX would be the cool, confident commuter, the one that gets you where you need to go with style, efficiency, and a smile on your face. It's not just a scooter, it's a statement that says you don't just commute, you enjoy the journey. The Honda PCX isn't just a scooter, it's a revolution. Since its debut, it has become one of the most popular scooters in the world, thanks to its perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. It's the vehicle of choice for urban riders, students, and anyone who wants to navigate the city with ease. But what makes the PCX so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a scooter, it's a game changer. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about scooters in general. Myth number 1. Scooters are slow and underpowered. Wrong. The PCX is proof that scooters can be both efficient and fun to ride. With its 156.9cc liquid-cooled engine, it delivers smooth, responsive power that's perfect for city streets and beyond. Myth number 2. Scooters are only for short trips. Think again. The PCX is designed for both short commutes and longer rides, with a comfortable seat, ample storage, and a fuel-efficient engine that lets you go the distance. And myth number 3. Scooters are boring. Not the PCX. With its sleek, modern design and advanced features, it's a scooter that's as exciting as it is practical. It's not just a scooter, it's a lifestyle. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the PCX even more. Did you know that the PCX is one of the most fuel-efficient scooters on the market, with an impressive 110 miles per gallon? That means you can ride for days without worrying about stopping for gas. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The PCX features idle stop technology, which automatically shuts off the engine when you're stopped at a light or in traffic, saving fuel and reducing emissions. It's not just a scooter, it's a smart, eco-friendly choice for modern riders. But the PCX isn't just about efficiency, it's also about comfort and convenience. The scooter features a large under-seat storage compartment that can easily fit a full-face helmet, along with your groceries, laptop bag, or anything else you need to carry. The seat is wide and cushioned, providing a comfortable ride even on longer trips. And with its LED lighting system, you'll be visible and stylish, whether you're riding during the day or at night. It's not just a scooter, it's a practical, everyday companion. Think about the last time you were stuck in traffic, frustrated and wasting time. The PCX is here to change that. With its compact size and nimble handling, it's the perfect vehicle for navigating crowded city streets. You can zip through traffic, find parking easily, and enjoy the freedom of two-wheeled mobility. It's not just a scooter, it's a solution to the challenges of urban life. Now, let's talk about performance, because the PCX isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a riding experience that's as smooth as it is enjoyable. The PCX is powered by a 156.9cc liquid-cooled engine that delivers 15.1 horsepower and 10.8 pound-feet of torque, providing plenty of power for city riding and beyond. The automatic transmission makes it easy to ride, whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner. And with its front and rear disc brakes, you can stop confidently, even in wet or slippery conditions. It's not just a scooter, it's a reliable, fun-to-ride machine. But what really sets the PCX apart is its design. This is a scooter that looks as good as it rides. With its sleek, aerodynamic lines, modern LED lighting, and premium finishes, it's a scooter that turns heads wherever it goes. The design isn't just for show, it's there to enhance performance and functionality. The LED headlights provide excellent visibility, while the digital instrument panel keeps you informed with all the essential information at a glance. It's not just a scooter, it's a statement of style and sophistication. So, what does the Honda PCX mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to settle for the status quo. You can have efficiency and style, practicality and performance, freedom and fun. It's a call to embrace a smarter, more enjoyable way of getting around. It's a scooter that doesn't just take you places, it makes the journey itself a pleasure. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of riders who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of two-wheeled mobility, and the beauty of smart design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most iconic vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in urban mobility. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Honda PCX isn't just a scooter, it's a revolution. A revolution that says you can have it all: efficiency, style, and freedom. It's a scooter that doesn't just get you where you need to go, it makes the ride itself an adventure. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the PCX? Because this isn't just a scooter, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.